Welcome to my channel. This is Tabitha. What I am doing, or what you're seeing right here, is me trying to cut out of the box on the Cricut Maker the Cricut vinyl. It's at a 74 pressure, which is what the manufacturer has the machine programmed at. Each machine's programs are individual to them, so we're going to play around with this after you see how well it cuts the glitter vinyl. So now we're going to take it out of the machine and we're going to try and weed this. And as you can see, it's not going to weed. It has cut through, but not all the way through. So in order to get that kiss cut, let's send it back through just for the heck of it at 74 pressure, which is what every machine comes at. And let's see if doing more pressure would help get the cut all the way through. So I click Browse All Materials. I'm going to type glitter because I don't feel like searching for it. And there's the glitter vinyl. I'm going to click Done. And then I'm going to go in and instead of default, I'm going to hit More. And let's see if that will actually work. That it's loading. Now this is at the setting, still the 74 pressure, and we're going to do the cut pressure is set for more. So we shall see how this one works. So let's see what it does by selecting the cut pressure more. It looks like it might do really good. I've lost my tool. So I'm gonna bet, no. You can literally see, can you see that? My name is cut out. I can totally see it. Oh. Sometimes glitter is so frustrating. Let's get you in the I am. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I got the tea. So it's not doing everything that it is supposed to. So let's mark, this is more pressure at 75. And I just stuck a glitter to my table. This was just 75. Now, as I said on my first video, which was really bad, the customer service guy made the comment and showed me how to increase my pressure. So with that knowledge, let's cut it. Go in and cut it at a larger or deeper pressure. Going back to here, remember when I was in that, I remember in that first video. Now let me stop and say right here, when you get a replacement machine, which I had to get, it wasn't cutting fabric. So when you get a replacement machine, your settings are all gone with it. So I had made some custom settings that I didn't know would be totally wiped out. Also, my deep cut blade went with it because I totally forgot to take it out of the little tray. So if you have a, if you're storing things inside that tray that's on the inside of the door, make sure if you have to send yours back that you empty the tray out. Anyway, so let's try this again. We're going to go in, we're going to cut Cricut vinyl, same thing. We're going to hit continue. And we are going to go. Now, this should be the same thing, I'm told, if you're in the custom cutting menu. I'm going to browse all materials. Now, I want material settings down on the bottom. We're going to hit material settings. There we go. Glitter vinyl is right up here at the top. See how it's set at 75? We're going to edit that. Now the guy that was telling me, the customer service guy, when I contacted help, I always do chat for helps. One, because I type really fast, and two, because I like having the chat recording emailed to me of everything that we did. So my notes, going back and watching the first video, said that he had me set it from 82 to 83. And then I went back and set it 84 to 85. I'm going to set this thing automatically. I'm going to do 84 right there. And I'm going to save that. And I'm actually going to make a note that we're doing 84. Now, you have to go down to the very bottom of the screen and click done. You have to go to the very bottom, click done. So now we're back to our set material setting. We have changed the pressure for every single time that we do glitter vinyl. So we're going to type in glitter again, and we're going to hit search, and it's going to bring up everything that's got glitter in it. And we're going to click glitter vinyl. And then we're going to click done. Now what we're looking for is what they call a kiss cut, meaning it cuts through the vinyl, but not through the paper backing. I think now they come with plastic backings. Okay, so now what we have here is the cut from the machine set at 84 cut pressure. So what we're looking for is a kiss cut, and I don't want to waste that whole piece of vinyl because I have enough there that if I needed to send it back through, I could at a higher rate. This is the new machine that I literally didn't realize until I was cutting vinyl that the pressure reverted back. So again, if you have a new machine and you got one sent to you from you got a machine replacement or you got a brand new machine, each machine's cut pressures have to be set totally differently. So look at that. This is how glitter vinyl should be peeling. It should be literally so simple. Like that simple. So there you go. 84 for my machine is the correct cutting pressure for a kiss cut. Now, to make sure we have a really cool kiss cut, it wasn't even pulling, it didn't even pull up any of the paper. So that is what we have, and that's how you change it. I forgot to load the mat. Don't you just love that sound? The sound of a Cricut mat being loaded. That just sounds like some sort of... I'll just leave it at that. And we're going to load it into the machine. Also, another really cool sound, because it means you're in your craft room, and hit the C. That's just such a good sound. And finalizing. We're only cutting my name, so it should be really easy. So obviously 84 is the perfect cut for my machine, which is the Cricut Maker, which is also, I think I was 84 to 85 on my last machine. I've heard some of you say you were going up into the 115s and higher. If that's the case, I definitely would contact Cricut, because you shouldn't have to go up that dramatically, and you may be using the wrong blade. I did learn just after this or before that the blade that you want to use is not the one with the gray cap. I think it's got the red cap. It has a red cap to it. So check your blade, make sure your blade one is sharp, make sure it's clean, and make sure that you have it set at the right pressure. That should solve your problem. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be going through specialty papers that we all cut, and I personally am going to be inputting those cuts and creating my own cut files for those, so that when I'm doing dollar store contact paper, I can click dollar store contact paper. Anyways, more to come. This is perfect for now. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.